Today, we are here on a mission to reduce the perennial flooding in the region of Cagayan Valley. This is a whole of society approach. Our national government is enjoining everyone, from our local residents to our local and provincial government units, regional agencies, private sector, and civil society to participate in this mission.
Asahan niyo po na kami po ay magtatrabaho 24/7 para ma-improve po at para ma-solve ang problema sa baha. Siguro naman hindi naman ito overnight. Kailangan talaga natin trabahuin. Meron po tayong short term, yung dredging, meron medium term, meron din tayong long term, yung paggawa po, pag-construct ng ating mga diversion channels na magbibigay po ng long term solution dito po sa baha natin dito sa Cagayan.
The dredging project aims to reduce the discharge capacity of the river channel. Once the dredging project is completed, the structural flood mitigation project will protect thousands of lives and properties in Cagayan Province. Bamboos is now an emerging industry in construction and handicrafts, and this will be initiated by the Department of Trade and Industry. Engineered bamboo is a good alternative for lumber. Aside from this, it will also help reduce the cutting of trees in the forest. The bamboo plantation will also help us mitigate climate change.
Ang simula palaman sa ating plano upang mababawasan ang mapabinsalang baha sa rehiyon ng Cagayan Valley. Asahan natin ang inyong patuloy na suporta hanggang mapagtagumpayan natin ang misyon.